this with some jeans to recreate a Pinterest look. I'm so happy with it. Flippin' cute. We'll time at 3:45. I'm going to start straight away with my turtle sweater mock neck with Kiana's pattern. I bought some new jeans for winter and I think they'll just look really, really lovely. Just that with some jeans and a belt. Super excited to recreate that look, so I will jump into it straight away. Cut out her pattern, printed and cut out the pattern. I'm going to be doing a size 10. I think that's going to be perfect. The sleeve length looks really good and the bust is good too. And then this is the turtleneck. I need to find the mock neck. I think I've put that somewhere, and I'll be using this red one. We have a size 8 waist in this pattern and I've got a size 10 hip and bust. So when I'm cutting this pattern out, I'm just going to grade it in to the line just so that it snugs me a bit nicer and doesn't look so gappy around the like waist seam. I just cut out all my pieces for the red and then I went ahead and did the black one. Then also I just decided I would sew up the sleeveless black mock neck in the meantime while I waited for my battery to recharge, and I am so happy with it. So flippin' cute. The mock neck here, and then I just did some binding around the armholes to keep it sleeveless, and I'll have a long sleeve version as well. And then I just did some twin stitching on the bottom hemline, which I've just tucked up because of my skirt. So I just did that while my battery was charging, but I'm so happy with it. Like I'm gonna get so much wear. So now we'll move on to the red mock neck, long sleeve turtleneck mock neck. What do you call it? Anyway, my long sleeve red one. I've also had to thread my overlocker from black thread to white thread, the white overlocker on the inside, and then I think when I get to doing the cuffs and things I'll need to put some red thread on a few bobbins so I can do some twin needle stitching. Start sewing these together. I'll come back to you when I've got the shoulder seams sewn together and the sleeves pinned in. It's also 3:45. My baby has been napping for a few hours, so hopefully I'll be able to get this done quite quickly now that I've done it with this one. So we'll see. We'll time it 3:45 and we'll get going. My thread isn't threaded properly.
What?
Hi!
What's Mommy doing?
Mummy's sewing.
Oh, what's this?
That's a sewing machine.
Oh, what's that one?
This is the overlocker. How was your nap?
I'll put it on.
You want to do some sewing with Mama?
Yeah.
Okay, sit on my lap. Ready? And we'll sew up. We'll go straight up the sides and straight down the sleeves. And then can you take out the pins and put them back in Mummy's wrist? Ready? Let's do one more side and then we'll call it a day and we'll go get some snacks. Okay, so minus the interruption, it's 4:18, so what's that, 35 minutes-ish. I'm going to need to come back another day and put the mock neck in and do the finish of the hemming. So, see you then. Welcome back. Had the cutest little interruption yesterday. It was so sweet. My Bubba came up after his nap and found me sewing and so wanted to help me out, which is so sweet. But it did mean I had to put my project to the side. So I will be starting the clock again. We'll say it's 2 o'clock now, so I said 35 minutes yesterday to get the sleeves and the bodice done, and now I need to do the mock neck and all of the hems, so we'll see how long that will take from that. And then my red t-shirt project will be done. These are coming together so simply, so beautifully, so I'm excited to try this one on when I get it done. I haven't done any trials as I've been making it because obviously I've done it with the other tube, so I know that the sizing and everything is fine. It's just, I guess, how it'll look with this fabric. Anyway, let's get back into it. Here is my mock neck. I sewed up the short seams, oopsies, the short seams yesterday, and then I just need to fold it right way out, fold it in half and attach it. And I am done! So I got so distracted FaceTiming my sister, and their time is now 3:51. So I would suggest at 2:01 I had started. She called it 2:30. 2:30, so let's say 30 minutes to get the mock neck attached and to get my twin needles set up for the hems around the bottom and the hems around the sleeves. So all in all, it was like a 50-minute project, I would say, from start to finish to cut out and sew my shirt together. I'm really happy with it. It's going to be really cute. It's a beautiful vibrant red. This with some jeans to recreate a Pinterest look. So hopefully it looks good, and let me know what you think.